Hi, hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. Today is episode 22 in that series and we are trying the dish Putharo from Meghalaya. I hope I'm saying it right. The detailed ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. To watch the earlier episodes of this series, I'll leave a link above. You can click and watch it after you see this video. So to make the putharos, we need rice flour. I've got half a cup of it here. And I've got grated coconut and jaggery, which are powdered here. We'll also need some salt and warm water to make this dish. So let's start preparing the dish. I've placed a pan on medium flame. We'll add the rice flour to the pan. We need to dry roast this rice flour for 2 minutes on medium flame until it's hot to touch. So let's do that. So the rice flour has been dry roasted for 2 minutes. I'm going to remove it from fire now. Once you dry roast the rice flour, let it cool down completely before you do this process. So I've added salt to the rice flour after it cooled down. I've got some warm water in here, which I'm going to sprinkle little by little and mix the rice flour. Make sure there are no lumps. Don't pour the water all together. The amount of water used will depend upon your rice flour. So just keep sprinkling some water and mixing it. If there are lumps, break it down like this. I've sprinkled and mixed the rice flour nicely. Now this is where we need to stop. When you hold the flour, it should hold the shape like this. And once you crush it, it should get back to the powdery form. So now this rice flour is ready. If there are some lumps in between, just crush it with your fingers. Now we'll add in the grated coconut and the jaggery. Mix everything together. And the mixture is ready. To make the putharo, I've got 2 katoris in here, which I've greased with some oil all over. Now we'll fill this with the mixture halfway through. Stuff it nicely in so that it takes the shape of the katori. So both the katoris are ready. Now let's steam these katoris. I've got my steamer on fire on medium flame. I'm going to place the katoris inside the steamer and line this with a piece of cloth, as we don't want the water to drip into the katori. So I'm going to close it like this. And we'll steam this for 10 to 12 minutes. So the putharos have been steamed for around 12 minutes. I've switched off the stove now. We'll let this cool down for 2 minutes before we unmold it. So putharo is ready. This is quite similar to the dish Puttu from my native state of Kerala. We use the same concept, but it's slightly different. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and ring the bell for notifications. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.